Yo guys, what is up? It is Megan from Triple D, and today we're going to be doing a food review on Subway's pizza sub, and this looks delicious. I've already eaten half of this, so this video won't be too long. So it's going to be like 2 minutes or something. So I'll be back when I'm okay. Now I'm not sure what price it is for overseas country, but in Australia, I believe this is like $10 with a drink or something. I'm not sure. But I think the sub by itself is just $7. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's just take our first bite. First bite. First bite. Wow. I put veggies on here as well because you can have these veggies. No carnivore. Yeah. Now, in that first bite, I basically tasted everything. Well, it was cut in half, so. But there was a lot of flavor in that. There might be more flavor if you put more ingredients. I only put carrots, lettuce, pepperoni, pizza sauce, and cheese. Well, of course, there's gonna be pizza sauce and shit. I'm gonna have one more bite. Okay, I'll be back for the ratings and the scoring. Overall, I'll rate the taste. Actually, overall, I'm gonna rate the sub 9 out of 10. It's really freaking tasty. Next episode I'm gonna be doing the meatball sub, and there's another video requested by someone else when I was at school, so actually it's gonna be a hidden video, so I'm just eating the crumbs. I'm still hungry. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.